Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a quick unboxing video here. Just something watch related here, so we'll get it open together. I accidentally need my knife for this. So a while back I purchased a slotted screwdriver. This one here actually, and let me zoom in and you'll see why I had to buy a new one. I'll zoom in a little bit more. So I was sizing a wooden watch that my wife had bought for me a while ago. Finally got around to sizing it, and that thing has double screwed pins, and they must be Loctited because it was a major pain in the butt to get it off, and ended up twisting the head on this one, on this screwdriver, twisting the tip on it. Sorry. So decided to buy a new one. Actually, I think I bought. No, this is not the exact same thing. So there's the model right there. It is another Wera, but this one, the tip on it is a little bit thicker. So I'm hoping that will prevent twisting. And also, I hope it's not too thick that it won't work in the slots. I bought this one originally for my Zelos, one of my Zelos watches. I think the titanium one. So it tells me on here how thick. Yeah, right here. So the blade tip on this one is 1/4 of a millimeter thick, and I think this one was 2/10 of a millimeter. So right there, 0.2 versus 0.25. Certainly talking 0.05 millimeters. That's half the thickness of a piece of paper. It's kind of interesting that they have two different screwdrivers that are only a 0.5 millimeter difference. I'm sorry, 0.05 millimeter different on the thickness of the blade. This may not come out too well. Yeah, we're never going to see that. Well, actually, kind of can see the difference in the thickness there. So anyway, this was $3.50, and I think this one was $3.90 on Amazon. Hopefully this will last me. If it doesn't, I'll upgrade to, I guess, probably the Bergeon. So just a quick unboxing video. Here, I'll show you the watch I was talking about. This guy here has the heads on both sides. And this thing was just a bear to get done. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video.